Hi, I'm Mr. Danza, and today we're going to be talking about abstraction. Let me first start off with two examples. So, first, if I were to turn a light switch on, my light switch right here, if I flip the light switch up, the lights turn on. If I flip the light switch down, the lights go off. Very simple concept. So I don't need to know how the electricity actually works. I don't need to know how the circuitry and the electrical engineering works to make my light turn on. All I need to know is that when I flip the light switch up, my lights turn on, and when I flip it down, the lights turn off. I'll give you a second example. If I go and start up my car in the morning and I turn the key to my car turns on. I don't need to know how the car actually turns on in order to turn the key to my car. I don't need to know about my engine, or I don't need to know how cars work. I don't need to be a mechanic in order to actually drive my car. Okay? It would help, and if I really wanted to know how my car works, I could figure it out and could find out and could learn about it and go even deeper, but I don't need to know it. On your driver's test, you are not tested on all of the details behind it. And that's what abstraction is. Abstraction is the hiding of details. So you only get what you need to know. Okay? If you don't need to know something, abstraction hides all those details and leaves it in more of a simplified concept for you to learn. Now that's important because a lot of computer science students, when they first start off, are a little intimidated. They feel like they're never going to be able to learn all of these things, that this is going to go over their head, and that they're not going to be able to make this work. And that's not true. Abstraction has hidden a lot of the details, especially in beginner and intro level classes. So abstraction is a very important concept, and abstraction is the hiding of details.